Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix your Panasonic inverter microwave oven, particularly with the door not closing properly. As you can see, the door is not locking properly. One way you can fix this problem is by lubricating the latches. The inner latches here and here, and then the latches on the door itself, there and there. If this method does not work, then you have to open up the microwave for the more complicated method. Before we open up the microwave, you will need the following things. You will need the T-20 security bit. This is the regular bit. We managed to use the regular bit, but it's optimal to use the security one. Other things you will need are a pair of needle nose pliers, approximately 1 to 2 feet of wire, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a grip mat if you do not have the security version of the T-20 bit. In the back of the microwave, there are 5 Torx screws. We're going to show you how to unscrew one of them. You can either use the bit we talked about earlier, or if you don't have the security one, you can try to use a grip mat and try and unscrew the nut. Don't forget to unscrew the Phillips head screw on the side here. Now slide off the top cover. Pull back slightly up. After you've opened up the microwave, first things first, open up the door. Now you see in the middle of the shot here, the latching mechanism. The problem with the mechanism is that it's attached to very thin pieces of metal that are prone to bending after a long time. The solution to this is to first unscrew the latching mechanism. There are 2 screws, one there and one there. I've removed the 2 screws from the locking mechanism. Pull the mechanism off of the metal plates. As you can see down here, there's a hole that feeds through the other side. Thread your wire through the hole. Take the end that you threaded through, and the goal of this is to try to attach the wire to the vents at the bottom of the microwave. After you've anchored the wire to the venting holes at the bottom of the microwave using your pliers, bend back the 2 plates that were holding the locking mechanism. Bend them toward the microwave cavity and then reattach the microwave lock. After replacing the screws on the locking mechanism, verify that the metal is bent back correctly. You can do this by closing the microwave. If the door locks, then you've done it correctly. Now take the wire that you fed through the hole and attach it to the little hole toward the top of the microwave. After you've anchored the wire to the top of the microwave, make sure it's tight enough. The whole goal of this project was to make sure the metal in which the locking mechanism is attached to stays center and doesn't bend. If you've done it correctly, the door should always lock and the locking mechanism never bends away. This has been fixing your Panasonic inverter microwave oven door. Thank you.